What's up, YouTubers? I'm going to show you how easy it is to drill a hole in tiles today. Too many people believe it's too difficult, too complicated. All you need is a normal cordless drill, not a hammer drill, and a spear type tile bit. And what you don't want to do is put the drill on hammer, so use it on normal drill function and you use it on low speed. So all you do is put the bit where you've marked the tile and just push it. You'll hear a small crack, and then you drill slowly, not fast, because the tile is very hard, so it will build up a lot of heat and make your bit blunt. Apply a fair amount of pressure, little bit of speed, and within a few seconds you'll be through your tile. So there the bit is through the tile. Now you can change over to a normal masonry bit and continue a hole into the wall for your